Hi, Sister Edgington here. This is the 7.04 cycle summary. And I was thinking about this cycle that we have been working on, and I have seen so much growth. I've been really impressed with the way that you have been digging really deeply and sharing your great thoughts that you are having, and also helping one another so much in the class, sharing information that you have learned and helping your peers find sites and places to go where they can continue their learning. So thank you so much. Just a couple of things that I wanted to share with you, just a couple of thoughts that I've been having. As well, remember that this class is about developing your philosophy of education. And so as I have been thinking about that, just want you to know that I am the kind of teacher that if I give you a picture of an apple and I give you some crayons, I will never tell you, you must color the apple red and you must color the stem brown and the leaf green, and you need to stay in the lines. And the coloring lines that you make need to be horizontal, and you need to go from left to right as you color them. In one of my student teaching experiences, I was with a teacher. She was a wonderful teacher and I learned so much from her, but she was a little bit like that. And one thing that I learned is that I didn't want to be that kind of a teacher. And so there are all kinds of things that you can learn from other people as you observe and listen. And sometimes it's what you don't want to do or what you would not be able to do as a teacher yourself in your classroom. So I pass that along to you, that when you are given an assignment, it's up to you to create that assignment however you see fit. Now, of course, there are parameters, and the Zentation presentations have been wonderful. They've been so good, and they've gotten better every single time that we have done them. Like one of the parameters was, let's cut down the time a little bit, because we can say what we need to say in 3 minutes. We don't need to ramble and drag it out to 10 minutes and be saying the same kinds of things. So those are the kinds of parameters that I'm talking about. But I want you to take the liberty to do your assignments however you see fit, whatever fits your personality, because this is your philosophy that you are developing. It's not my philosophy. It's not the philosophy of any of your peers. And know that your philosophy will be growing and changing throughout your whole teaching career. So remember that it's about developing your philosophy. And my job is to just basically provide you with resources and encourage you to keep going and to keep digging and to keep discovering who you are and how you feel. Something else too about me as a teacher: when I ask a question, I very rarely ask a question that I have a specific answer in mind and I want it answered exactly that way. So many times if I pose a question, if I ask you a question, I'm just wondering. I am just wanting to see what you think and how you feel, and maybe suggest something to you that you might have not have thought about previously. I have a Sunday school teacher right now, gospel doctrine teacher, and he asks questions all throughout his lesson, which we're told that questioning is a great way to teach, but he has an exact answer in his mind that he wants. And so as adults, we've read the scriptures, and there's so many people that are very knowledgeable about the content and the topics that he is teaching. But he'll ask a question and someone will give an answer, and he just points at him and says, nope, no, as he goes around the class. And I am not that kind of a teacher. I ask you questions to get you to think. I ask questions about things that I'm wondering about, but I am not looking for a specific answer. So you take these assignments and you run with them. You just go ahead and do what you are doing. Some of you have been having some computer problems, and I so appreciate those people who have said, you know what, this Zentation, I can't get this to work, and so I'm going to do this in a different way. So here's my video, here's my PowerPoint presentation, or whatever it may be. And I appreciate that. You do it however it works for you. But please do follow the specifics that are given. And I appreciate your patience with me as we are all working through this course together for the first time. There are things that need to be changed, and I'm taking notes as we go through the course, and I am giving those to my course lead. Ideas that I have, ideas of things that you have shared with me about ways that this course can be better and the instructions can be more complete. And so good luck. Good luck. You're doing a wonderful job. Take what you're learning, run with it, and develop your philosophy and your idea. And just know too that when you get in the classroom and you are actually teaching students of your own and you're the one in charge, that philosophy will change, and that's okay. So have a great week and hang in there. Just keep sending in all of that wonderful information, and just know that you are teaching me so much. Thanks.